Hi folks, how are you doing today? We got a very special episode of Trailer Class for you. Come on inside. I'm going to give you all a dirty blowjob. That's right, we're going to take this here leaf blower here and we're going to blow out all the crap that is brought up into my fine garage here over the past winter and spring, as it is spring cleaning around here. So we're just going to clean stuff up around our trailer. We're going to do some weeding, see what's up with Cousin Dave, and just have a good old time of just cleaning house here on Trailer Class. What we have here is a battery charged lithium leaf blower that we got off of Cousin Dave's dead cousin. Ironically enough, he died and was able to leave this over here because he no longer needs it for his landscaping opportunities and snow shoveling jobs that he used to do. So we're going to take it, turn it on here, and start blowing! A lot of dust gets behind a bunch of crap right here, and instead of moving it around and stuff like that, so you're actually using a broom or the logical way of doing it. This is why I use a leaf blower. So you can just take all the crap, the dead bugs, dust bunnies, what have you. One of the things you got to note about this particular leaf blower is the switch is just not user friendly as fuck. I mean, it does. You have to actually jam your finger back there to get it going on, and then you get a weak ass flow. So you have to actually press this fucking button down to get any type of blow action whatsoever. You know, it goes from to this little shitty blow right here. That is like for an old man on with weeds or something. I just got some finishing touches like this pile right over here and outside. I'm going to blow it all over to one big pile and head it over to the trash. And I'll have a nice clean driveway and a garage to match. sweeping up this place is not only do you get the luxury of having your very own clean driveway, but chances are, if you live in a trailer court, you'll be like 1 out of 10 that actually cleans up around your house. So you'll be that guy. That guy's always cool. He's like the neighborhood watcher, the boss of the place. Just simply because you have more responsibility than anybody else, simply by just sweeping up your shit. Now that we got the debris taken care of outside, we're going to work on one more outside project, but it first starts inside. We're going to start spraying for our weeds, because this is the time of year you might as well start doing that. So what we do is we make our own chemical around here, or combine it, making a hybrid. We have typically right here is weed and grass killer. And we just dump an ample amount, about halfway up our little bottle, weed and grass killer. Now we add our secret ingredient. This is some incredible stuff. Right here is the tree killing. This will kill trees and hedges. And I love it because I have killed trees and hedges with this wonderful blue stuff that comes out like dish soap. And you put it in, take the knob up, and then you just dump some right in there. And with this, you're going to want to add a little bit of water. So we're about halfway full of this, so we'll fill it up right about here full of water. I'm sick of all this damn grass around here, and as we look over here, we got a ton of other weeds and stuff growing, so we're going to use our Gatorade right here, our little blue stuff that we made. We're just going to start hosing everything down, and within hours, days, sometimes even weeks, this stuff will all eventually die and look really nasty and really great, because I like to call this part watering my lawn with Roundup. You know, because lawns basically suck. They take a lot of, they take a lot of water, they take a lot of maintenance, and they're just pretty stupid. So I just wanted to grow rocks. The best way to grow rocks is to kill weeds. Well, folks, that's our show for today. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button over there. Hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you again. Enjoy the garage door reveal.
Howdy y'all, Cousin Dave here. How y'all doing on this wonderful spring day? Well, we got ourselves a fair amount of precipitation. That's what spring is all about. You know what they used to say, April showers bring Mayflowers, and Mayflowers bring disease, death, and pilgrims. Well, when you're sitting around in the home and you got nothing better to do, one of the best things that I've enjoyed is busting out the old board games. You know, nowadays, everybody's about the video games and the computer games and the online and your telephone. Well, I like to get back to basics. Let's just say we're going analog instead of digital. Now, you got a variety of these probably sitting in your closet, up on the top shelf. Some of these, I never understood how you say it. Stradigo. So there's a Stradigo game. And now what you do is you got to make it interesting, because everybody's played these all to heck, right? So you got yourself your basic board game, basic board map, and a few little pieces to play with. Now, this is where it gets fun. You start busting out all the other games, and you match them all up. Let's see here, we got this here Colorado-opoly. Oh, that's nice. For all of us friends in Colorado. And, let's see here. Oh, this is a good one right here. Risky game. So then, you lay them all out, and then you use all the pieces together, and you make your own game. So, I'm going to set up a couple of these little fellers as our main players, right? And they're going to start way over here on this side of the board. Then you got to get a bunch of different things to block them up. Let's see here, a few of these little things. These are going to be gates that they have to jump over. and then you grab something else, and that might be some trees that they can climb. And then you start building up. Well, and of course you got to have dice. So you decide how many spaces each person moves. Oh, let's say that's 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He makes it to the end of the board. However, when this guy rolls these, then he can move and move one of these pieces over to him to block him. And then you can grab, let's say, well, this one's got all kinds of good stuff in it. I was trying to figure out what all I needed to put in there. But, you can kind of draw your own conclusions. Oh, and also money. Might as well put out some money just for the heck of it, and then make some gambling wagers. Oh, and then you can build little houses on the land that you made. Ah, dang. The possibilities are endless, aren't they? Or you can just teach yourself how to juggle. That's pretty easy too. I've noticed that, basically you have to throw one into one hand, and you have to throw that one into the other hand while that one's going into the hand, and then this one comes around and, oh yeah, see? Actually, that didn't take too long. I'm just going to keep playing the game and juggle while I'm doing it. Well, for everybody here at Trailer Class, have a wonderful rainy afternoon. See ya.